If you're getting Epic Games error code 152, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that can solve the problem for many players. This issue can happen because of account session glitches, background processes still running, network configuration problems, or permission issues on your PC. The good news is that with a few quick changes, you can usually get the Epic Games launcher working normally again. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PC gaming fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games launcher. Click your profile icon and choose Sign Out. This is important because sometimes the launcher gets stuck in a bad login state and signing out resets that session. After that, close both apps entirely. Make sure Epic Games is fully shut down, not just minimized. Then press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC to open Task Manager. Look through the running processes and end any lingering Epic Games tasks that are still active in the background. You want everything related to Epic completely closed before moving on, because leftover processes can keep the error going. Once you've closed everything, reopen Epic Games first and sign back into your account. In many cases, simply restarting the launcher after a full sign-out is enough to clear temporary account or connection issues. If the error still appears, don't worry, because the next step is to reset one of the most common network settings that affects Epic login and game access. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type NCPA.CPL and press Enter. This will open your network adapters window. Here, you'll see your active internet connection, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Right-click your active adapter and select Properties. Now scroll through the list and double-click Internet Protocol version 4, also called TCP/IPv4. This opens your IPv4 settings where you can manually set DNS servers. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server box, type 8.8.8.8. In the alternate DNS server box, type 8.8.4.4. These are Google DNS servers, and they often help fix connection and authentication problems when Epic Games is struggling to communicate properly. After entering both addresses, click OK to save the changes, then click OK again to apply the adapter properties. Now there's one more step that can make a big difference, especially if Windows permissions are interfering with the launcher. Right-click your desktop Epic Games Launcher shortcut and select Properties. Switch over to the Compatibility tab. Then check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then click OK to save it. Running Epic Games as administrator can help prevent permission-related problems and allow the launcher to access the files and services it needs without being blocked. After that, launch Epic Games again and test it one more time. Sign in if needed and check whether error code 152 is gone. In many cases, this combination of signing out, closing background tasks, changing DNS, and running the launcher as administrator is enough to fix the issue and get you back into your games. If this tutorial helped, please take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because it really helps support more quick troubleshooting guides like this one. And if you still run into the error after trying these steps, let me know in the comments and I can help you with additional fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.